We are going to look how to link your wallet on the TONxDAO. Now I have reached a time that we are going to link our wallet. Now look at the news they are giving to us on 16th of this month, being July 2026. To link your wallet is step by step. Click here, click outside and open it both, so that you know the former wallet link that have linked. Go to this side, you're seeing wallet, click here. Look at my own. This is where you can use and identify the former wallet that you use, because they're the same wallet they are going to use and submit again, so that they can distribute their token there. But as it stands now, I forgot mine. I don't know the wallet I make use of it. I keep on researching and not see it. But I'm going to use that wallet. I don't know how it's going to be. But you that is watching me today, make sure that it's aligned with the former one that you have already submitted there. Now, let us go back. Open this. Okay, look at the place now. Link my wallet. Click link my wallet. Look at the current wallet that I linked now, which is not the same thing with the other one. If I disconnect it, let me disconnect and redo it again. Now, when I open it, go say connect wallet. I click connect. They will ask me which one am I connecting with? Is it Telegram on or Tokenkeeper? You can click here, view or wallet. Anyone that you wish to make use of it, can go ahead. But I'm going to make use of Tokenkeeper for now. I click Tokenkeeper. Connect. I put my hand, my fingerprint is done. That is all. It's already connected. That's how you do it. You just stay back and wait for the time they are going to distribute the token. That is all. That is all. If you have questions to ask concerning this, you can drop it on the comment section of this video. I'm going to attend to you guys. Please do well to subscribe on my YouTube channel. More update is coming on a particular airdrop. You don't need to fade away from airdrop. That's how we are going to do it this period. I'm going to give the airdrop that will benefit you to make $100, $200 above. Do well to link this, and if you have seen that these videos have already helped you to know how you can link your wallet, give me that subscription. Thanks so much. Bye.